now that we get these things to put in place. It's a good thing, so we are going to put them in place so we can get to open.
Since 2009, the government of Jamaica has formed a critical partnership between agriculture and tourism. And that partnership led to a World Bank finance program, as you heard before, that was known or is known as REDI, Rural Economic Development Initiative. And the REDI-1 program, which ended in 2017, ended with such success and momentum that the government saw it necessary to have a phase 2. The phase 2, of course, was approved late 2019, and despite our best laid plans, COVID came along and put not a stop, but made us change our perspective on a few things. This program, through REDI-To, will invest $52.4 million to support the base of the pyramid: persons, enterprises, micro-enterprises, and that means small farmers, small community tourism enterprises, at the base of the pyramid that provide such a critical role when it comes to the supply chain. We will provide, under this investment, medical grade PPE, right, which will include masks, face shields, sanitizers, and all the necessary things that would be needed to apply the protocols required for small tourism enterprises. We will also provide to our registered farmers seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, fungicides, insecticides, and harvesting crates. We will also provide training of 60 COVID-19 safety point persons, 30 for tourism and 30 for agriculture.
This project seeks to combat some of the challenges presented by the COVID-19 pandemic, impacting the livelihoods of many of our farmers and persons in rural Jamaica. This program underscores that the government of Jamaica is serious about providing for our rural entrepreneurs. That's what our farmers are. They are rural entrepreneurs, and we are working with them to ensure that they can maintain their production numbers, sustain their farms, and partake in climate-smart agriculture, and more importantly, strengthen the linkages between agriculture and tourism.
This exercise that we're involved in now, with REDI-To, is seeking to do is to build our capacity to respond to the disruptions that the pandemic will cause. And not only to respond, but to manage, to recover, and to thrive. How do you enable the farmers to produce under COVID without getting COVID? And that's the essence of the capacity building exercise that we're talking about here.
Collecting this today, I can say I'm very appreciative because it can help with having meetings. Most of us usually sell to middlemen who supply to the hotel, but we are having our housewives coming in, restaurants coming in, and supermarkets coming in. We still have a few middlemen that buy from us there still. We feel good because with JSIF and REDI-To and TPD, we know that they're putting out the effort, and we've been with JSIF from REDI-1, like we were engrafted in, and we have been to several meetings with them, and they trained our staff in tour guiding and other aspects of things, a lot of training. So JSIF has been doing a good work.
This will help us to maintain the COVID-19 protocol that we are supposed to be practicing to ensure that our products are marketable in a safe environment.
We have single parents on the farm. We have persons who are unemployed other than the farm thing. So I know that the REDI-To is going to benefit them very greatly. persons are aware of COVID-19, but some of them are not taking it real serious. So having these on the farm with us, I know that, you know, they will use it and use it to the best of their ability to prevent COVID.
Farmers will be trained in COVID-19 health and safety protocols, but also a number of the farmers will receive comprehensive training in their specialized area. Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen that when you provide technical support to our farmers do well. Our farmers are willing to modernize their operations, but they need the support. We're all doing this to ensure that the agriculture sector continues to grow.